Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Foods. My name is Miss Lisa and we are here at the Fayette County Public Library. Today we are going to be making a witch's brew. This is one of the most delicious punches you can make for your Halloween guests and your parties that you might be having during this October season. So what you're going to need is quite a bit of stuff. So you're going to need some lime sherbet, some frozen limeade, some key lime sparkling water, some 7-Up. And this is what's going to make the punch. But then we can make it look like the witch is melting by making little witches hats that go on top of the sherbet. We also can make little witches brooms. And for some of this unique decoration, you're going to need Twizzlers and some marshmallows, some Oreos, some Hershey Kisses, and we can also have a sprinkle of candy eyes. All right, so how are we going to put all of this together? Going to start with our 7-Up. Now you can use Sprite as well. And we're going to take and pour it into our punch bowl. Now the ingredients that I have here today do fit into a punch bowl. So if you don't have a bowl this big, you might want to just take everything that I'm showing you and cut it in half, or find 2 containers and make the whole thing. So here we go. Get all that Sprite in there. All right, almost done. Okay. Got that Sprite. And then to continue with the bubbly, to make it a little bit more limey, we have this key lime, sparkling water. Pour all of that in there. Next, we will do our frozen limeade. All right. So we're going to put our limeade in here next, and I have let it set out for just a little bit. There we go. We'll want that in there. Okay, I have my scooper that I can stir that around with. Okay, now we're not going to put the sherbet in it just yet because we want to have the little bumps of sherbet on the top. I need to show you how to make all of the cool stuff that goes on top. All right, to make the little melting witch's hat, you're going to need to have some Oreos. Okay. I've decided to make 3 more. And you need some frosting. Let me get that one out. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to lay these here. And I just have a tube of frosting. And I chose the chocolate frosting because it will match and blend in. And you just need a little dollop. Now really, this should be the first thing you do because you need to wait, 30 minutes or so that Hershey Kiss stays sort of glued to the top of the Oreo. Okay. And so that's just what you do, just enough to act like glue. Okay, just enough frosting, just a little circle right there in the middle of our Oreo. And that's our little witches melting hats. To make the little witches broom, you need some Twizzlers. Okay, and of course, black is the best. Now, if you just used a whole strip, that's way too long. So you're going to take this and you're going to cut it in half. And then I'm not going to do this right now, but I've already done this. But you're going to want to slice the licorice in half. Now, it's a little tough, so I would suggest that you be very careful. Once you've cut them in half, you are going to want to sort of make a little triangle or a little point at the end of that. The reason being is that point then will stick into your marshmallow and that becomes the sweepy part of the broom, okay? So without that little point, it won't go in as easily, okay? See. And so this is going to help decorate our witch's brew. All right, so there's several little brooms. Add my hats over here. All right. So to finish it all off, when your guests have arrived, you can go ahead and start to take the lime sherbet, and you want to try to the best of your ability to get little dollops, okay? To get the little, that one didn't work out real well. Neither did that one. Okay, so that's a little harder than I thought it would be. Let's see if I can get a bigger glump out there. That's better. Here, maybe I'll just take this huge mountain here and stick that in there. Okay, so you definitely want that sherbet in there, because once that sherbet is in there, you decorate your brew with the things that we just made. So let's get another big lump. Oh, there we go. That's a nice. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the whole top layer sort of covered up with our sherbet. Okay, so now what you want to do is gently place these on top. Oh no, okay, so it's top heavy, it fell over. Okay, guys, I didn't actually try this beforehand. You know what? Maybe this is another Pinterest fail thing. Or maybe, here's an idea. Serve it up to somebody and put it on top, and maybe it would stay, and then, I guess it doesn't, and then decorate it with a little broom. All right, so that one's not too bad. And remember that there's also candy eyes that you can sprinkle in, and they just totally sink, don't they? Anyway, if you find any little tricks to this, let me know. I am really disappointed that my little hats did not flip up. There we go. There's our little candy eyes. Maybe you can add a candy eye to the one you've served. Let's see if I can't get another dollop here. All right, and then put an eye in there. Add a little room. And this is your witch's brew. I'm telling you, it's very, very tasty, even though it might look a little sloppy. Well, you've been watching Fun Foods. I'm Miss Lisa here at the Fayette County Public Library. Join me again in 2 weeks for another recipe. Bye now.